Meerut has a certain place in Indian mythology as well as in Indian history. Can you please tell me something about it?
Sir,
Do you agree with this description of 1857 as National War of Independence?
You did sociology.
yes.
What are the formal marriages in Indian Hindu guys?
Tell me, what is the difference between NCR and NCT? Meerut is part of?
Traffic lights, even educated people don't follow the traffic signals. How can you ensure that they will be following these, what you are saying, gender sensitization and other issues?
Have you seen the statement of Bangladesh criticizing Sheikh Hasina for her press conference?
आइए कोलकाता
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
प्लीज सिट डाउन.
Thank you, sir.
आपके गांव का नाम है कंकर खेड़ा.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean? Why it is named like this?
Sir, it is named because my father used to tell me that the place had lot of pebbles. So earlier the old age people used to say that Kankad, and from that I'm-
What a खेड़ा is? What
the Kheda means village. So
are there any खेड़as in Delhi also?
sir, I'm not aware of Delhi. However, in Meerut there are multiple Khedas.
For example, give me some names.
Sir, there is near Jansat, there is Sikhreda. That is one of the places. Other than that, sir, there are multiple small villages. In Choli is there. There is I'm not,
Meerut has a certain place in Indian mythology as well as in Indian history. Can you please tell me something about it?
sir, in mythology, Meerut is related to the Mahabharata. Hastinapur,
Call it Mahabharat, not Mahabharata.
yes, sir. So Mahabharat, Hastinapur. And sir, in history, it is also related to the revolt of 1857. From Meerut, the revolt of 1857 started.
When?
So it was started on 10th May 1857.
When it was actually supposed to start? Any idea?
No, sir, I'm not aware of.
All right. It was supposed to start on 31st May,
Okay, sir.
but somehow it is erupted for certain incident on 10th May itself. Right? You described it, you called it revolt. Some people call it War of Independence, National War of Independence. Do you agree with this description of 1857 as National War of Independence?
So as per V.D. Savarkar, sir, it was the act of independence, first act of independence.
First War of Independence.
Yes, sir. However, sir, I would like to humbly disagree with him because many other scholars, they have pointed out that it was more of a sepoy mutiny. It does not have a all India backing and it was regional in its orientation.
Confined to which regions?
So it was mostly confined to the northern part of India.
Did it spread to Rajasthan and Punjab? They are also part of northern part of India. Did it reach Punjab and Rajasthan?
So I am not aware whether it reached Rajasthan and Punjab area.
Okay. What is your optional subject for this examination?
Sir, my option is sociology.
Sociology. Any particular reason for choosing sociology as a subject?
Yes, sir, there are two reasons. That
Yes.
So first was that after studying the science for almost 5 years in my graduation and post-graduation, I wanted to diversify my knowledge and so I took sociology. And so second is sociological knowledge was also beneficial in the general studies paper.
I think that's a more honest answer. Journalist. Anyway, who is supposed to be father of Indian sociology? Sociology as an academic discipline, there is a gentleman who is described as father of discipline of sociology in Indian universities. Can you name him?
So G.S. Ghure, sir, he is known as the father of Indian sociology.
Can you name a couple of his works?
So couple of his works, firstly was related to the caste system.
Give me the name.
So I'm not able to recall the names.
No name, no work you can recall by Mr. Gurai. Where did he teach, by the way? Which university did he teach?
So if you allow me to take a guess. Sir, he used to teach in Department of Sociology, Bombay University.
Very good. Quite right. Sir,
Tudita,
Yes.
so you are from Meerut. Very well. First question. Possible war of 1, 2. Am I going to ask by that? You have done ECA. So you have done MSc Physics. What is this foundation of physics?
So the basic foundation of physics is to know about the nature, how the nature works, and to bring some laws in order to understand it much better.
There are other topics to study in it. But physics.
Yes.
You do sociology.
Yes.
What are the form of marriages in Indian Hindu society?
So forms of marriages.
Types of. You read it?
So no, sir, I'm not.
in Hindu scriptural law or tradition,
Yes, sir.
there are certain types of marriages described. And when you study sociology of India, you studied that also. So have you studied or can you recall the types of marriages described, for example, in Manu Smriti?
So few I'm able. So Gandharva marriage is there.
Okay.
There is the Pisachini.
Yeah, Paisachik Vivah, you are right.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Gandharva,
Well-
Paisachik and
There is a Devta marriage. Dam.
it
Dams.
is called Dev. Dev, yeah.
And this only sir these are
Good, not bad.
yes.
What are the samskars? Samskar.
So sanskars are the rituals.
How many rituals from birth to death in your society described in mythology or practice, whatever it is? You're practicing now.
Sorry, sir.
Dharvahik sanskar.
Sir, just a minute. There are, this is an observation, this is a feedback. By cultural and religious background, you are a Hindu. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Since you are from Meerut area, so I presume that there must be a lot of Arya Samaji influence. If not in your family, then certainly in your surroundings.
Yes, sir. There is.
Then you are a student of sociology.
Yes, sir.
It's not good that you cannot immediately say 16 sanskars.
I'm sorry, sir.
It's the standard answer.
Okay, sir.
In Hindu tradition, there are 16 sanskars. In fact, even before childbirth, there is a sanskar. And then the last I said they are called.
Okay, sir.
There are 16 sanskars.
I'll read about it.
And tell me, girls are more attached to precious metal. What are the reasons that gold and silver they have been rising? And what is the reason they have collapsed? Suddenly?
So the reason for the rise of the prices first.
Gold.
Yes, sir. So it is the geopolitical uncertainty that the world is witnessing. Second is, sir, the Federal Reserves. There is the decrease in the rates over there that has resulted in the increase in gold prices. And so thirdly, there is also the requirement of gold and silver in multiple areas such as the electronics, EVs.
That is silver. Silver is sacred.
Yes.
So what will happen if gold has collapsed by more than 10%? So what will happen to the people like the central reserve banks? They bought the gold. Now their prices collapse. They will not cut the value in the market.
Yes, sir. So, though the prices have collapsed, but the value will remain intact, and in future it may rise, as we have seen that the prices are increasing and decreasing with respect to the geopolitical.
And how about silver?
So the rise in silver is due to first that the United States have declared it as one of the critical metals, and secondly,
United States, they are called.
yes, sir, and so they are also utilized in the industries, electronics industry, EV sector. There is a requirement of silver.
What are the rare earth magnets?
So rare earth magnets, they are those that have the natural magnetic tendencies. As far as I can,
And what are the uses that you must be? You must have said it somewhere. Read somewhere.
so they are utilized in the electronic sectors, in the formation of transformers, electronic equipments. Yes, sir.
So Anjana, relax. It is a interaction, not okay. Tell me, what is the difference between NCR and NCT? Merit is part of
So NCR.
NCR. So what's the difference between NCR and NCT?
So NCR is a national capital region, the area surrounding the Delhi area, and some national capital territory. So that is the Delhi.
So you mean to say that NCR does not include Delhi?
So it is the region surrounding Delhi.
Surrounding Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Delhi is not part of NCR.
Yes, sir. Delhi is not a part. So I'm not aware of it, sir.
NCT is a part of NCR. NCR. Then which are the states other than Delhi which are part of NCR?
So there is Rajasthan, there is Haryana, and yes, sir. Only
Uttar Pradesh?
yes, sir. UP, sir. You said no, other than
Okay.
Yes.
Other than Delhi, I said other than Delhi.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uttar Pradesh.
So why do we have NCR? Just for the namesake, or it has some connotation?
So it may be because of the proximity to the
Fine.
Delhi.
You have just identified some area, but then what you do something, or just you give this fancy name and happy with it?
No, sir. There must be some reason to it.
Yeah.
However, I'm not.
Yeah, please find out it. Development of NCR.
Yes.
Okay. Now, women empowerment, your field of interest.
Yes.
Tell me, equal opportunity or preferential treatment? What will you suggest for women empowerment?
So initially, I would say preferential treatment in form of the affirmative actions, such as the recent Nari Shakti Vandana Adhiniyam. And after there is a level playing ground, then of course equal opportunity should be there.
But once it comes, it never goes.
So the Nari Shakti and Vandana Adhiniyam,
Yeah.
it comes with the clause of this India.
Set clause.
Yes.
I have not seen the sun setting so far.
So I'm hopeful that this sunset will see a
No, there is a, apart from hopefulness, there is a serious question here.
yes.
The reservations in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and legislature bodies was also given a kind of framework, time framework. It is extended after every 10 years. The moment its limitation period comes, it is extended. How can you be so sure that this reservation for women will not have the same privileged treatment? And it raises a more serious question. There are people who argue, and not without some logic, that this kind of perpetual preferential treatment is going to create further divides in the society. Your comment.
So this kind of the sunset clause can be stopped, sir, after the committee recommends, after there is certain amount of involvement of women in the political area.
That is precisely the point. After every 10 years, the sunset clause for SC, ST is extended. How can we be sure that same will not be done with reference to women reservation? And if it happens, then the argument or the apprehension that this kind of perpetual preferential treatment for any segment of society is going to create further fault lines and mistrusts in society.
So this affirmative action was important. However, sir, we can only be hopeful that it does not get extended.
Right. Okay. Now you are MSc Physics.
Yes.
Tell me, what is the difference between nuclear power plant and nuclear bomb?
So the very basic difference is with respect to the reaction. In some nuclear power plant, we have a controlled nuclear reaction. And in sir, the atomic bomb, so we have the uncontrolled nuclear reaction.
Can you say how you get the control?
Yes, sir. So the control in the nuclear power plant, sir, we have the control rods. The neutrons that are emitted, they are controlled, and in order to ensure that only certain amount of neutrons are bombarded on the uranium to use it for a peaceful purpose. Whereas in the atomic bomb, there is no such mechanism.
No such. And my last question is, you're a student of sociology. Check how the Varna system got translated in the caste system.
Yes.
What went wrong?
So the earlier Varna system was related to the occupations and on the gunas behaviors. However, sir, it got translated because of the political patronage that started to be given to only one particular caste, such as the Brahmdanya.
Brahmodey.
Yes, sir.
That grant is called Brahmodey.
Yes, sir. Other than that, sir, people also started practicing endogamy, which started the restriction of marriage in intercaste. All these are strengthened the caste and moving away from the Varna.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Anjana, so you are a sociology. How can we stop rapes in other society?
So one of the ways is to strengthen the law and order in the society, ensuring that the justice is given to the individuals, the woman who has faced such trauma, and strict punishment to the perpetrators, accused. Other than that, sir, we can also focus upon gender socialization. So there is also
You tell me, we don't follow even the traffic lights, even educated people don't follow the traffic signals. How can you ensure that they will be following these, what you are saying, gender sensitization and other issues? Practically, the things are not happening. So what in your view, suppose you are a SP of Meerut, what steps you would propose to control rapes in your district?
So one of the first step will be to ensure that the CCTV cameras are installed in the city, especially in the areas where the incident has taken place, black spot areas. Other than that, sir, we can also involve the night patrollings, use of drones in the patrolling of sensitive areas. Other than that, sir, there needs to be an awareness and the self-defense techniques can be given to the women, as sir is also being given in Delhi through the Nari Shakti program, sir.
Some people say women should take necessary precautions. They should not go in the night, or they should avoid such places where these incidents can happen. What is your take on that?
Though, sir, I will humbly differ.
Not wear certain type of clothes.
So this is unfortunate that such people, the people say such thing. However, in order to make our society more inclusive, we need to change our mindset in that sense. We can focus more upon the law and order, increasing the CCTV surveillance. But it is required because we also need to increase the labor force participation of women in
So
the.
you see the impact of social media. Now one country has already banned Australia under 16. Now France has also done it recently. Do you think that also India is also now in a stage where we should also think of restraining social media to the younger people?
Yes, sir. So we should think of banning the social media, especially for the younger children. So there can be committee can be established in order to devise a solution for its implementation. As also, sir, it is being done in Andhra Pradesh. There are talks with the
Something happening in the four walls of the family. How would you ensure the implementation of law in that case?
So there is also the parents are also concerned about the increasing social media influence on their children, and so surely if such an act or comes in place, it will be supported by the parents.
Okay, just a minute, just a slightly mischievous observation. Many parents are aware of the dangers of smoking and they would hate their children to smoke, but they do not stop smoking themselves.
Yes.
So, as a parent, I am very concerned about the content on social media which my kid might watch, but I cannot stop watching myself. So, hopefully, my kid is not that stupid that he will not know how to unlock the child lock. Now, answer this question. No, child lock has been there in all television sets.
So in such a case, I would suggest that every week we can change the parental lock systems.
Who will change that? Government or parents?
So parents will change that.
Okay, my last question. So, from sociological point of view, you tell me whether we should spend more on higher education or school education, and why?
So we should spend equally on both the areas. However, more focus can be given on the school education because children, it is that stage where the foundation becomes, and if the foundation is not strong, then there is no use of taking it to a higher level. So school is important, and there should be more focus on the school.
We don't have a good higher education institutions and skilled manpower, then they will be without employment. Though they are a good citizens, but they are not getting jobs.
So in this respect, the government is working, sir. There are multiple schemes and programs in order to.
Thank you.
So, Pulkita, your interview is on the 13th, right? So, 12th is an important date. What is happening on the 12th?
Ma'am, there will be the declaration of the Bangladesh election results.
It will be the election. It's the election day.
Oh, sorry, there is the election. I'm very sorry.
Okay, so declaration might happen in a day or two. So tell me, looking at Bangladesh, since last year things have been unfolding in Bangladesh, what could India have done better so that this did not come to such a pass?
Ma'am, the possible way could have been the increased diplomatic engagements with Bangladesh, with the interim government. Other than that, ma'am, there could have been more people-to-people connections that would have facilitated better peace and dialogue between the two nations.
You're talking about the period which after the Sheikh Hasina's ouster,
Yes.
that we could have engaged with them better. Okay. But something happened in the field of cricket, and on the contrary to what you're saying, we expelled a player from Kolkata Knight Riders. Was that a mature decision? Because it's totally contrary to what you're saying. We should have engaged better. There's nothing better than sports to engage.
Ma'am, I'm not very much aware about why such decision was taken.
Just a minute. I want you to answer this question categorically. Kolkata Knight Rider bought a particular player from Bangladesh for the upcoming IPL season.
Yes.
A certain section of Indian population creates a raw hangama,
Yes.
and the BCCI forces Kolkata Knight Rider to drop that player. BCCI, I mean, theoretically it is supposed to be autonomous, but it is part of the establishment. It is part of the Indian establishment. Now answer our question. Was it wise on part of the establishment to force the Kolkata Knight Rider to drop that player from Bangladesh? Answer this question clearly.
No, sir, I don't believe that it was right because the sports diplomacy is an important part of our soft power and it could have helped India and Bangladesh to once again renew our relations, strained relations.
And what do you think of this rhetoric of Bangladeshi infiltrators about which when Sheikh Hasina was the leader there, in fact, her government had expressed displeasure and had actually asked the Indian government to provide some kind of credible evidence that so many Bangladeshis have infiltrated into India. Are you aware of this?
No, sir, I'm not a.
Okay, talking about the elections in Bangladesh and consequent to that, the players sending back the player from Kolkata Knight Riders. Now the Bangladesh is not playing the World Cup. Pakistan is also considering whether to withdraw or not. We will know their decision very shortly. So by the time you have your interview, all these things would have been done. So keep track of it. So now tell me which are the major parties which are likely to be in fray in Bangladesh.
Ma'am, can you just please elaborate?
Major political parties in Bangladesh which will be contesting the elections on the 12th.
Ma'am, one of the parties is the Bangladesh Nationalist Party. Ma'am, there is also the Jamaat-e-Islam and one party is also there. It is by the young sections of the Bangladesh. However, I'm not able to recall their name.
So what will be the best case scenario? Now that Sheikh Hasina's party has been banned, her party was called Awami League, they have been banned. So what is the best case scenario which can happen for India?
Ma'am, the best case scenario is that any one of the parties will win the election and the both sides will once again start to engage diplomatically and the relations may see betterment in the upcoming future.
Have you seen the statement of Bangladesh criticizing Sheikh Hasina for her press conference, in which she was very critical of the whole establishment, especially Mohammad Yunus, the chief advisor?
Yes,
Would it be prudent of India to tell her that we need to engage with Bangladesh now? We have given you asylum. Just stay put, stay quiet.
Ma'am, we can of course communicate about such openly criticism. It may hamper our relations because it is already strained, and we can ask her to, if it is possible on our part, to not to give such comments publicly.
I think that's a more practical way. Okay, thank you. Just think about it. Huh?
Now the point is that it's good that you accept your limitation, or if you do not know anything, you accept it, you do not know. And also, if provoked sufficiently, then you come up with categorical answers. You should express your mind honestly and sincerely, clearly.
Okay, sir.
For example, this Bangladesh thing, it was, to put it very clearly, it was very unwise on part of Indian establishment to create that situation and then expect better relationship with Bangladesh. Similar is the case with this press conference. Also, you have taken sociology as an option.
Yes, sir.
And I'm sorry to tell you, Pulkita, the basic information is missing.
So,
16 sanskars, Varna Jati, evolution of Varna into Jati, types of marriage described in Hindu scriptures or traditions. Please prepare on them.
sir.
Your personality reflects a certain level of sincerity,
Yes, sir.
which is very good. So take care of these, areas of weakness.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
When that social changes, social mobility,
Yes.
सब उसी
आपने सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्ट किया ना, तो बड़े नेचुरल क्वेश्चन
तो सवाल है, पूछेगा कोई भी पूछेगा.
दे विल कम डायरेक्टली.
Sir, I never read these things even in the syllabus. They were not there.
सवाल में paragraph.
हाँ जी, sir. Now I will search.
सिलेबस में क्या था फिर सोशियोलॉजी लिटिल लाउडर.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सोशियोलॉजी में क्या था फिर सिलेबस में?
Sir, in sanskara, sir, these sanskar, all these things were not there. That's why I was not able to answer.
Even if they are not there,
I
See.
read it.
The experts who come to the interview, they believe that these things are there.
Yes, sir. I will read.
And even if they are not there,
Yes.
being a citizen, being a Hindu particularly, because as I told you, it's part of your own traditions. और आर्य समाज वालों ने तो बहुत काम किया है इस मामले में, एनलाइटनमेंट और इस समय वेस्टर्न. Am I wrong when I say that there is a lot of influence in Western UP of Arya Samaj?
Yes, sir. There is a
Lot of influence.
in our society also there
Yeah,
is a temple.
I know. तो इसलिए जो बात है, even if it is not there formally speaking in the syllabus, please be clear about these.
Okay, sir.
ये बेसिक चीज है.
हाँ जी सर.
तो सिलेबस में क्या है आपके? दी आइडिया ऑफ फैमिली.
Yes.
So, is there any enlightenment on the question of difference between family structures in various societies?
Yes, sir. There is.
So then, the logical conclusion of that. I mean, every society has a certain kind of family structure traditionally. Or societies can be defined as industrial, as traditional, as Hindu, as Muslim. ये तो सब आपको करना पड़ेगा.
सो पुलकिता, आज तो आप जीन्स पहन के आई हैं, ठीक है, आपको नहीं पहन के आना चाहिए था. इट्स अ मॉक इंटरव्यू, यू हैव टू टेक मॉक आल्सो सीरियसली. खैर, व्हाटएवर इट इज, इन द फॉर्मल, इन द इंटरव्यू यू विल गो वेरी वेरी फॉर्मली, wearing a sari or salwar suit. हाँ, तो वेयर गो फॉर. हाँ, बताइए.
Ma'am, the last question that you asked, ma'am, शेख हसीना मैम का जो comments आ रहे हैं, तो how should we deal? You asked that question.
जब तक आपका इंटरव्यू होगा तब तक तो इलेक्शन भी हो जाएंगे. सो देयर वुड बी अ चेंज. It is up to lot of आप analysts की पढ़िए. Lot of people feel that we have given her asylum and now she should keep quiet and let us work with the Bangladesh government to the extent possible. Some people feel it's a leverage and through her we can speak our mind. You know, we can ask how to speak. So ये आपको सोचना है. We want your clear opinion on this. I mean, I cannot form my opinion on you.
Maybe I believe that she should not speak this thing.
Say that.
As he pointed out, it's an open question. There can be arguments on both sides. So you have to choose your side yourself and defend it. That's it.
He is a political personality. How can she live her electorate without leader?
Yes.
But she has to do some way that BNP comes.
And traditionally, India has its sympathies with Awami League.
Yes, sir.
India has its own stake in Bangladesh politics. And the best ally India has is Awami League. So this is a fact. But at the same time, that argument that now since it is out of power and the other parties are in power and we have to deal with the state of Bangladesh, not with Sheikh Hasina or her family. So that's a difficult question.
It's
So you take your call and
So
decide.
how should I
And between the two, the Jamaat and the BNP, probably we would like the BNP. That's why foreign minister had gone for meet.
BNP would still be better.
But actually, I was asking you, what is our best case scenario for?
Samal is hardcore fundamentalist. BNP is still a political party. It is good for India that BNP comes to power.
सहमे से लग रहे हैं. Throughout you were speaking very low tone. Whatever you know, say confident.
Yes, sir.
Say with conviction.
Yes, sir.
If you don't know, accept I don't know.
Yeah.
और कुछ?
No, sir. Thank you.